What's up, guys? How you doing? You rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom, coming to you live and direct from my hotel here. Not hostel. Usually I stay in hostel, but live and direct from my hotel here in Fortaleza, Brazil. Got an important question to ask you today. Let's look outside. Let's get a little bit more light in here. A little dark in here. Let's talk about Trump. A lot of people voted for him. A lot of people supported him. He was a front runner. He was the winner of the election. He's dropping right now. People are saying the economy is not doing good. I also heard that black colleges were getting some kind of funding. He stopped that funding from the black colleges. It's a list of stuff going on, but I want you guys to talk to me in the comment section. I want to get some dialogue going, and I want to talk about what you think is really going on with Mr. Trump. But they're saying that his ratings are dropping. And it's mainly because of the economy. Also, what do you think about let's walk around a little bit. I know you guys want to see Brazil. Like I said, I'm in Fortaleza, Brazil. What do you think about, oh man, okay, close the door, there we go. The deportation situation, how's he handling it? How's that going? Let me know how you guys feel, man. Talk to me. Don't forget you rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. I'm gonna start doing more of these videos like that when I walk and talk. I never really did too many of these on my channel, but I do walk and talk videos, but talk more about politics and just letting you see where I'm at. Usually I'm like stationary or I'm out and about. So you get an inside look at Philly Dom, where he's at, what he's doing. But his ratings are dropping. What do you think of him with deportation? How many people have been deported so far? What's the number on the deportation? How many people have been deported so far back to either to El Salvador, or back to their country? Let me know, because nobody has given me an accurate number on there. In a couple days, I will do a live. I got some more stuff to talk about. Shout out to my boy Sterling from the channel, Stallion from the channel. He gave me some information. I'm going to do an actual live video, and I'll talk about it, regarding Trump and the different things that's going on. Boom. And if you wonder where I'm staying, I make sure I got my keys. I'm staying at this hotel called Stopway Inn in Fortaleza, Brazil. Looking raggedy and scruffy today, but it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna walk outside for a minute, let you see what's going on outside as well. But just give me your opinion, man. That's what I want to know your opinion. I want to know how you feel about the situation. There should be a lot of comments. I want to know, because before I ask people, if they were still supporting, asking people were they supporting Trump, and they said they were. A lot of people are still supporting him. But give me your real opinion. Let me know. Let me know how you feel about what he's doing, man. Let me know if you still support him, why you still support him. If you're not supporting him, why you're not supporting him. Just let me know. This is a big topic. Everybody know I did the videos, the migrant crisis videos in New York City. And I went to the top major extremes to go buy shelters. People was clowning me about that. Going by shelters. Let me get out of here. There's a little light. I'm not using the Osmo Pocket. I'm actually using my phone. But I went to the utmost measures to go by the shelters and see what's going on. And Trump been in office for a while, and he stopped the funding, I know, with the migrant shelters. But some of them are still open. How are they able to still be open, and how is that all working out, man? It's a lot of questions that we need to answer. We need to keep them accountable for everything going on. I know the country was in a mess when Biden was in, and he did a lot of stuff, and now Trump is trying to undo what he's doing. But what's going on with the economy? What's going on with the stock market? It's so much stuff to talk about. I'm telling you guys, what's going on with the economy? What's going on with the stock market? The economy's up in the air. People that supported him before have issues with him with the stock market and everything, and that's why his ratings are dropping. Just tell me how you guys feel, man. Just let me know how you guys feel. Let me know how you guys feel. Just, keep it real with me, man. This is some real live, serious dialogue that we need to talk about. As I walk through the streets of Brazil. Let me cross the street real quick. Believe it or not, it's not even early morning. It's like afternoon here. The weather is perfect. I was just in Seattle, Washington. It's crazy. Right now, a feed just came in about Trump. So, guys, yeah, please let me know. Let me know if you're satisfied with what he's doing. If you're not, do you think he's messing with the economy? Because I know the stock market is having issues. There's a lot of stuff going on. So, just give me your raw feel of what's going on. Walking to the beach right now, which is straight ahead in front of me. In a couple hours after I release this video, I will go do a live video and we can talk about this and we can talk about that. And yes, guys, I am going to Alaska. Philly Dom, yes, I am going to Alaska. I will be going to Alaska in the next, it could be the next couple of days, it could be the next couple of weeks, but I will be in Alaska as soon as one of the companies pick me up, okay? Tell me how you like this format. I'm trying something different. I'm not using the Osmo. Like I said, I'm using my actual phone. It's kind of dangerous to do that out here in Brazil. They snatch phones, but here in this area, Morales, Fortaleza. It's nice area. Not saying nothing doesn't happen in nice areas, but it's a cool little area. Also, make sure you share my videos. Make sure you give my videos a like, man. Make sure you support your boy, the one and only Philly Dom. And I will do more videos like this, serious topic videos, and just ask you about different current events and stuff that's going on that needs to be addressed. It's fun to talk about traveling and different other things, but sometimes it's current events that affect all of us. If you're in the country, if you're out the country, so just let me know how you feel on this subject matter, man, because there's a lot of people talking about it, man. And I heard some other stuff about Trump that's going on as far as some information had got out there that shouldn't have got out there. People's telling me this is down. I'm down in Brazil. When you down in these countries like Brazil and these other countries, everybody is watching American politics. So they always have something to say or ask you something just because you're an American citizen. I could be in a taxi going somewhere and they're like, oh, I don't like your country, or I like your country, or what's going on with your country with this, or what's going on with your country with that, and this and that, just because you're American, just because you're an American citizen, you know what I mean? And it's happened to me plenty of times. So the Brazilians are asking what's going on with Trump. How do we like him? Do we think he's doing a good job? What's going on? So just give me your feedback, man. I greatly appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me, man. Got to get a haircut, man. I'm looking scruffy, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? But, like I said before, I'm just making my way to the beach. I want to talk to you guys for a minute. I'll see you guys in the next video. And more videos will come from the one and only Philly Dom. And just give me your raw cut opinion about what's going on. I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you guys later. And also, check out the live. I'm going to be talking about, we'll talk about Trump in the live. Get some feedback from you guys. Also, it'll be later tonight. I'm going to drop this video. Once I come right back from the beach, I'll drop this video. We'll talk about me going to Alaska. We'll talk about life insurance. Life insurance is a big thing. A lot of people don't have it. You need it. When you're dead and gone, you can help a relative, and also they have a living benefit that you can use your life insurance while you're still alive. So it's a lot to talk about. So talk to you guys later, and more videos will come. You're rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom, coming to you live and direct from Fortaleza, Brazil. Peace out. Let me go have some fun on the beach.